This is a 2013 Audi A6, a great fit and finish. It has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a parking camera, keyless ignition, heated seats, a 5-link front suspension, a supercharger, a locking center differential, 18-inch alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, stereo controls on the steering wheel, leather seats, a toolkit, front and rear floor mats, side curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 55,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile helps leave money in your pocket where you want it. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Texas Auto is located at 16200 Highway 3 in Houston. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.